Today, we're making some amazing Parmesan puffs. Let's do it. And so to make these delicious little cheesy puffs using nothing but Parmesan rinds, we're going to need some Parmesan cheese, of course. But we don't want to use the cheese. All we want is the rinds. And so take a couple of your leftover Parmesan rinds and you just want to make sure to trim off any of the cheese. So all you have left is that hard rind. Once you've done this, take a really sharp knife and on the outside of the rind, you just want to shave off a small amount of that really hard outside edge. Once you've done this, you want to chop it up into little cubes and then lay those onto a plate, preferably on a sheet of greaseproof paper. And then we're going to be using a gadget that rarely gets much use in my kitchen, a good old microwave. So stick the rinds into the microwave and very simple, 2 minutes. So once they're in and they're ticking away, you can give your cheesy hands a wash and then we're good to go. So take your cheesy puffs out of the microwave, and in most cases they would have melted and stuck together a little bit. So you want to cut around them so they're in little manageable bite-sized cubes and then pop those into a small bowl or a ramekin, and these things are insane. Listen to the crunch. Beautiful little cheesy puffs. Unreal. So there you have it, some delicious Parmesan rind puffs. Give them a try and I'll see you next time.